Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explain how to disable or enable plugin on Google Chrome browser. So I hope this video is totally helpful, so please subscribe our channel and like this video. So now I'm click on Google Chrome browser and click three dot and click setting. Then you left side show some option and click third option, privacy and security, and scroll down and click site settings. More scroll down and JavaScript site can use JavaScript. So click site can use JavaScript and don't allow site to use JavaScript. So this setting is enable or disable plugins and Google Chrome browsers. So just back and save automatically. So open new tab. So guys, today video ended. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. So goodbye.